Database administrators face challenges with query performance, version upgrades, and replication lag that can impact application responsiveness and data consistency. Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL now supports PostgreSQL 18.3 to address these issues. You can upgrade to PostgreSQL 18.3 to leverage B-tree skip scans that improve query performance while reducing index storage overhead. You can use the PG_roaring bitmap extension to perform memory-efficient set operations on large integer collections, enabling audience segmentation and permission checks directly in the database without application layer processing. You can retain optimizer statistics during major version upgrades to maintain consistent query performance immediately after upgrading without waiting for statistics regeneration. You can stream large transactions in parallel through logical replication to reduce replication lag and keep downstream systems current. You can upgrade using RDS blue/green deployments, in-place upgrades, or snapshot restoration in all commercial AWS regions and GovCloud regions. Monitoring workflow execution in Apache Airflow previously required you to implement custom polling logic or manually observe workflow states. Amazon MWAA Serverless now integrates with Amazon EventBridge to emit events when workflows and tasks change state. You can receive events when workflows transition between started, running, succeeded, or failed states. You can also get notifications when individual tasks change state, such as scheduled, succeeded, failed, or up for retry. This enables you to trigger alerts when production workflows fail, automatically restart dependent pipelines when upstream workflows succeed, or log state transitions to Amazon S3 for compliance and auditing purposes. This feature is available in all AWS regions where Amazon MWAA Serverless is available. Managing certificate renewals at scale has been complex, requiring custom automation with EventBridge to detect and deploy updated certificates from ACM. As certificate lifetimes decrease due to CA/B forum mandates, maintaining this automation becomes increasingly difficult. AWS Workload Credentials Provider solves this by automating certificate and secrets distribution across your workloads. You can automate ACM certificate export and deployment by configuring your certificate ARN and specifying deployment options, eliminating manual renewal processes. You can cache Secrets Manager secrets locally on workloads for improved performance and availability. You configure certificate paths and server reload behavior to control how certificates are deployed to your applications. You can run the provider on Windows and Linux with Apache or Nginx web servers, providing flexibility across your infrastructure. The provider is open source and maintains backwards compatibility with Secrets Manager Agent, giving you a single solution for managing both certificates and secrets across AWS and non-AWS environments. When monitoring latency, request durations, and metric distributions, you face challenges with classic histograms that require predefining bucket boundaries, managing high cardinality time series, and accepting reduced precision in percentile calculations. A classic histogram with 20 buckets creates 22 separate time series, increasing storage costs and complexity while potentially missing distribution details between bucket boundaries. You can now ingest and query native histograms with exponential bucketing that automatically adapts resolution to your data, eliminating the need to predict and configure bucket ranges upfront. You can store distributions in single time series, reducing cardinality, as native histograms consolidate an entire distribution into one series instead of multiple per bucket series, lowering your active series count and improving query performance. You can adopt incrementally alongside existing classic histograms, migrating workloads at your own pace without disrupting current monitoring infrastructure or requiring immediate changes to all instrumentation. You pay only for populated buckets with actual observations, avoiding charges for empty buckets and sparse distributions, and optimizing costs based on actual data patterns rather than theoretical bucket configuration.